Hey everyone, if you've just picked up the Galaxy Z Fold 7, you already know it's a premium device that deserves premium protection. In today's video, we're diving into the best Spigen cases for the Fold 7, from sleek, minimal designs to rugged, hinge-protecting builds. Whether you're all about style, functionality, or serious drop defense, there's something here for you. Let's check out which Spigen case fits your Fold 7 lifestyle best. So, let's get started. Number 1. Spigen Galaxy Z Fold 7 Armor Pro Case. You just got your brand new Galaxy Z Fold 7, and you're probably wondering what case is tough enough to protect it without ruining the sleek look. Let me introduce you to the Spigen Slim Armor Pro Mag Fit. This isn't just another case. It's built specifically for the Fold 7, and it shows. As soon as you snap it on, you feel that satisfying click thanks to Spigen's new Seculink tech. It's metal-based, so the front and back are locked in tight. No sliding, no wiggling, no nonsense. And there's even built-in double-sided tape to make sure it stays put. You'll notice it supports fast wireless charging too, which is a huge win. Just keep in mind that some MagSafe accessories might not work perfectly because of the hinge cover, but that's a small trade-off for the level of protection you're getting. It's slim, it's sturdy, and it doesn't compromise your Fold 7's functionality. If you want serious durability without the bulk, this case delivers. Number 2. Spigen Galaxy Z Fold 7 Tough Armor Pro Case. If you're rocking the Galaxy Z Fold 7, you already know it's an investment, and protecting that investment should be a top priority. That's where the Spigen Tough Armor Pro Mag Fit comes in. The moment you snap it on, you'll feel the difference. This case isn't just protective, it's built like a tank, with a redesigned ribbed hinge structure that locks the front and back together like a vault. No flimsy connections here. And with the built-in double-sided tape, the fit is tight and secure. It won't shift or slide around, even with everyday use. What's impressive is how it still supports fast wireless charging, thanks to a magnet that's purpose-built for that. Just be aware that some MagSafe accessories might not play nice with the hinge cover, but honestly, it's a small trade-off for the level of protection you're getting. If you're serious about keeping your Fold 7 safe from drops, dings, or everyday wear, this is the case you want on your device. Rugged, reliable, and made to last. Number 3. Spigen Galaxy Z Fold 7 Airfit Pro Case. If you're looking for a case that keeps your Galaxy Z Fold 7 feeling sleek and responsive, the Spigen Airfit Pro Mag Fit might be exactly what you need. This case is all about subtle protection and seamless functionality. It's WPC-G 2.1 certified, which means you're getting that next-gen Key 2 wireless charging support. No fiddling around to get the right angle, it just works. The design is incredibly lightweight, and once it's on, it feels like it was made specifically for your device. Thanks to the built-in double-sided tape, the fit is snug and secure, no sliding or shifting over time. You'll appreciate the tactile buttons too. They give you that satisfying click with every press, something a lot of cases just don't get right. Now keep in mind that some MagSafe accessories may not fit perfectly due to the hinge cover, but that's a small compromise for a case that's this comfortable and charging ready. For lightweight, everyday protection with a premium feel, the Airfit Pro gets it done right.
All products pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Thank you.